Just as weather forecasts help us plan our days, these magic charts help us navigate the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. And why is it important to understand at least the basics of a price chart? Because you need to know exactly what you're invested in. How much risk to the upside, how much risk to the downside, how can you diversify your portfolio? This is why it's important. So to learn the basics of a price chart is a very, very powerful move. And it's an additional tool that you can have in your bag outside of your normal employment to help you gain that passive income that we're all striving for. So stay tuned right to the end and buckle up and let's get into the video. Right, okay, guys, this is the Bitcoin chart and it's the 3-day chart. So what that means is each one of these candles represents 3 days of price action. So one of them candles represents 3 days of price action. So what we need to do is to understand, first and foremost, the first thing on a price chart is the price and the date. So these are the two important metrics on a price chart. And sorry for any of you guys that already understand this, but this is aimed at the very, very, very beginners. We're going right from the start. And being a subscriber of this channel, guys, I'm going to go through step by step, bite-sized chunks of how you can read a price chart and then how you can identify edges in the market. But it's a long process, guys, so stick with me. Right-hand side, 29,045. Bitcoin's currently trading at 29,045. Today's the 5th of August. So you can see here, so just scroll in a little bit. See the 5th of August at the bottom. And then at the right-hand side, you've got the price. So that works with anything. So it works with anything. On the right-hand side, you've got the price. And on the bottom, you have the date. So at any point in time, we can look at what the price was, how price reacted during that period of time. And I'm going to show you something a little bit special later on because I'm going to show you exactly how that coincides with news events and creates panic within the market. So this market tells us a story. And together, we're going to identify the story as the channel progresses. So I'm going to show you guys how you can understand a price chart the same as how I understand a price chart. It is a story of human emotions. It's just people buying and selling. So that's the first thing. The second thing, guys, is the 3 T's: ticker, time frame, and trend. So ticker, you see here Bitcoin, and that's BTC. So if you were trading Cardano, the ticker is ADA. So each currency has a ticker associated with it, similar to the stock market. You've got Apple and AAPL. So it's the same for this. That's the first thing that you're looking for, is the ticker. The next thing is the time frame. Like I say, each one of these candles represents 3 days. If I change that to the 1 day, each one of these candles represents 1 day. Why is this important? It's because you need to identify what time frame is best for you. Are you a long-term trader, or do you want to be a long-term trader, or do you want to be a short-term trader, a swing trader, a day trader? And that's an important question to ask yourselves, guys. How much time do you have at the charts? Because that's going to identify what time frame is good for you. If you only got a few hours a day at the charts, then you need to go for a higher time frame. If you've got lots of time at the charts, you might be working at home, you can look at the charts all the time, then you might want to try day trading. So it's first and foremost, identify your time frame, and that's an important one. Right, okay, let's have a look at some things. So the trend's the third thing. Actually, we need to do that. So the trend. Why is the trend important? Because the trend is your friend till the bend at the end, and you hear that time and time again, and you need to flow with the trend. So what that's saying is, if it's trending upwards, you need to be looking for pullbacks. One thing that you could do is look for a breakout and a continuation to the upside. So if you were against the trend and you were looking for breakouts to the upside, there's a higher probability that you're going to lose because the trend has momentum with it. So if you're trending upwards, the bulls are gaining momentum, the bulls have the momentum, and you need to ride with the bulls. If you're trending downwards, the bears have got momentum, you need to be riding with the bears. So you need to decide whether you're a bull or you're a bear at the point in time when the chart's telling you to do so, because people keep saying perma-bull. Everyone's a perma-bull in crypto. I'm a perma-bull in crypto, but I'm not going to lose a lot of my profits at these highs here. I'm going to be a bear at this point and look for entries when the bulls can regain momentum again. So you understand the basics of how a price chart works, and we'll go a little bit further now because news can impact the charts too. Fundamentals go hand in hand with technicals, and something bad happening in the world often coincides with the technicals. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. The first example I'm going to give you is this Dogecoin tweet. Dogecoin is the people's crypto. Where's this come from? No other than Elon Musk's Twitter account, and that was on the 4th of February 2021. So let's have a look at the charts on what happened on the 4th of February 2021. 4th of February, 2021. Here we go. That's exactly what happened. And you had about 2 weeks of positive price action before inevitably you get this pullback and then another test for the highs. So that's one tweet that managed to push the market up for a whole 2 weeks. What about this other one? We all know about the fall of Terra Luna. What happened on the fall of Terra Luna? This was the negative price action. This is when Luna crashed, and the date was May the 7th. The $18 billion algorithmic stablecoin Terra USD was completely depegged. 7th of May. What happened on the 7th of May? Let's have a look. Charts tell us a story. How were people feeling on this day? 7th. Where are we? Here we go. 7th. Luna crash. Bang. People felt crap. That's how people felt. And that coincided with a move from the top to the bottom. 43% to the downside on Bitcoin just following that Luna crash. So it has an impact on the rest of the market when you've got such a big player like Luna in the market. Negative news can affect the whole of the crypto market, and that's exactly what happened. There's a lot of players that were involved in that. There was a lot of players that had collateral against Luna, and other players such as Solana got absolutely slammed on the back of that. So hope you found the video useful, guys. And look, an important message from me. Only 6.5% of you guys watch this that are subscribed to the channel. So if you do find this useful, guys, being a part of the Crypto Bullseye community, I will help you navigate the crypto market. I will help you identify different areas of whether there's fear in the market, whether there's greed in the market, and help you understand and tap into your own emotions. So it's not just about charts, it's not just about news, it's about your own emotions. So if you do find it useful and you do want to be part of the community, don't forget, hit that notification bell and you'll be notified of the content that I bring out in the future, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure as always. Take care of yourself and goodbye from me.